How to fix Play Store on Samsung. Hello guys, in this video we'll talk about how to fix this on your Samsung. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, and after this you have now to go directly to apps, and on apps you will search here for Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store, go to storage, and go now to the last button, clear data. Click OK and go back, and click on first stop and click OK. And now you have to go you go back again here and click on Google Play Service, and you will click on storage and click on clear cache, and that's it, your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel. See you in another video.